Laba bwino omupya avuddeyo ku nsonga za Daily Uganda. Poliisi ebiyingiddemu oluvannyuma lw'okuba omukazi bubi nnyo n'avaamu olubuto lw'abalongo n'amukuba bubi nnyo n'amuyuza ennyindo n'amukuba bubi nnyo n'amumenya omukono n'amubonyaabonya nga tamuwa kyakulya n'ebirala bingi nnyo n'abeera ng'aleeta abakazi mu nnyumba ab'enjawulo ng'abakozeseza ku buliri bwe n'ebirala bingi nnyo nga bw'ogenda okubiraba mu maaso awo. Byonna mbikuleetedde naye nga wasuze otya siweta gwe n'omulungi ampuliriza. All Channel Media Quality, subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Tewelabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified bwentekawo video empya n'ekirala nyongera okujjukisa ntuzuula omwagalwa bana enamba yaffe kweri ku screen mujje tuzuule abaagalwa bammwe muve mu kubabuzaabuza muve mu toxic relationships muve mu kubeera nga babagattika naye ng'okyeggumiza okyeremeza mu dinaayo tosaalaawo naye ng'omusajja takuliko lava ogiremu wekka. Mikwano mujje mu inbox tuzuule abaagalwa bammwe tojja kubeera ate nga wejjusa otegeera ekituufu obudde bw'omala ng'oli mu relationship ey'omuntu atakuliiko buba bungi ate ng'ate wandi bumaze ng'ofunamu omuntu omutuufu. Ate nga n'ekirala tukola airport pickup services zaffe ennungi emiwendo gyaffe giri wansi ddala ensonga lwaki tetutwala kugipostinga. Tukyusa ne ssente munnange enamba yaffe kweri ku screen mujje mu inbox tubeere nga twogerezeganya ddala bulungi nnyo. Muve mu comment section mikwano tewali nsonga n'emu osobola kugwera mu comment section kuba ku WhatsApp tusobola okwekubira tusobola okwogera tusobola okukola voice notes. Tewali kisobola kugwera mu comment section mujje ku WhatsApp tubeere nga tumaliriza buli kimu kuba tuba twetaaga okwekubira tuba twetaaga onnyinyonnyole we watuufu wookoma weya exactly n'ebirala ebisingako byembeera nina okubuuza okusinziira ku lugendo lwe tugenda okutambula. Mujje ku WhatsApp twogerezeganye tutambule ffenna mikwano. Nebaza mwena abazze nga bampagira mikwano nsimanyi nsaba Katonda bwe kyemusinga okwagala. So ng'ate n'ekirala tukola surprise ne delivery tusiba ebimuli bya ssente tusiba ebirabo by'okumikolo tukubuliza n'ebintu ebideliveringa. Era enamba yaffe kweri ku screen mikwano mutwesige tubeere nga ate tukolaganira wamu tutambulira wamu. Services zaffe ennungi tulina care tulina wifi n'ebirala bingi nnyo. Katubeere ate nga tugenda butereevu ku nsonga za Daily Uganda ne mukyala we Omuzungu essaawa zino nga X nga n'okunoba yanoba yaddayo dda mu USA olw'embeera Daily gye yamuyisaamu. Tukkirize pressure bye yayogera nti Daily mutujju Daily ye balukumusa oba kubanga twabirabanga bulabi tomulabanga ku live nga tulowooza byakusaaga kumba omukazi kyayitamu kyokya kitokota butokosi nga sikisaanikire. Weerabireko ate omanyi twendowooza mu comment section.
Just brief.
You be brief. You tell us about Daily. How does he treat you?
He doesn't treat me good at all.
Why?
There's a lot of things that I don't talk about, that I don't let social media know. You know, to everybody, it seems like he's such this good person. You know, he's put his hands on me.
He beats you?
He has been in the house by myself for days and days with no food, by myself. I can't call anybody. I can't go anywhere. The worst part of it all, I can't even talk.
Sorry. But why is he like that? Why does he treat you like that?
I don't know why he treats me like this, because I've done everything for him. I've been so supportive through everything. I've been so supportive. So I support everything that he does. I support everything he wants to do. I don't. This is my second time coming to you on him. I had to leave the first time to take care of some things, and then the plan was for also had a miscarriage.
Oh my God, that's
and
not good.
He didn't care at all.
Have you ever gone to the police station? Have you ever gone to the elders? Have you ever told anybody about it?
His family knows. Like his mother knows. We've had family meetings. His family knows. And other than that, I just have Mickey and Bash. That's it.
Oh my God. So, what do you want
But
us to do?
I don't know, but right now, I'm leaving, and I'm leaving for good.
Are you going to leave him? Like, are you serious?
Yeah.
You're going to leave him?
I have no other choice.
Sorry.
But
So
I've
sorry.
been through so much. And like I told Ash, like I think I've proven, like I've, not that I have to, but like I've proven myself to everyone. I've proven myself to Uganda what type of person I am. Like the type of wife that I am.
Mm.
And there's nothing more that I can do. I can't be here and be a prisoner in my own home. I can't be treated bad. You know, I'm ugly, I'm fat, other girls are better than me. This woman is better than, like, it's constant putting me down constantly.
He compares you to other women.
Yeah, constantly.
That's not good. Oh my God, so sorry.
There's just a lot is going on, a lot. But I'm here now because I'm gonna be leaving.
You're going to go back to your home country?
Yeah. Because he's told me too many times to leave. Too many times. Even if he says it when he's mad, it doesn't matter. There's only so many times that you can tell somebody to leave before they really leave. Nobody where they're being treated bad.
Yeah.
Especially when that's supposed to be my husband.
Sorry about that.
Obufunze Daily yatusazizza nnyo Abanayuganda. Abantu bangi bavuddeyo ne bagamba tutandika okukkiriza pressure bye yalinga ayogera nti Daily mutujju, Daily ye balukumusa. Abantu bava ne bamuyiwirayo omubiri ne bagamba Daily si ye balukumusa, Daily si mutujju, babeera bakitinga ku zi live nenga buli omu yamulabira okuva ku ntandikwa. Abasomali ne bamulumba nga baagala kumuggyako omukazi, balowooza omukazi Musomaali nti atulugunya omukazi, ayisa bubi omukazi. Ffenna nga tubiraba naye munenga omanyi omuntu ali mu laavu tebamubuulirira, omuntu ali mu laavu tebamuwabula. Omukazi Daily aludde nga amukuba, tebawezezza na mwaka, aludde nga amukuba teyamuwa na maharege, aludde nga amukuba ng'agenda bw'akoma okubajjukira abakazi abazungu babeera ne laavu eri eyaddala, ng'akwagala ebyaddala. Sigamba nti nno nkwagalako kino, naye ndowooza Daily ng'akozesa that advantage. N'ekirala Daily yagambanga nti agoba mpapula kugenda mu USA, naye ndowooza okuva yatandika okukuba omukazi, ndowooza ne byesalaasalamuko, aleeta abakazi ku buliri bwe ne bakola bye bakola ebyekikulu. Tamuwa mmere, fridge agisiba, kwegamba bingi, omukazi byakaaba bingi. Kambi kwongera obeere ng'obirabira kati omala twenenooza mu comment section.
I'm done. I'm done, period. I don't accept cheating. I don't accept lying. I don't accept people stealing money from me. I don't accept being treated like an animal. I don't accept none of this. And I dealt with it for way too long. And that's why I'm speaking up, because there's a lot of women that are going through this right now. A lot. I can give a shit less about TikTok. I don't care about TikTok. He's the one that put us on camera. He's the one that put me in the public. He's the one that had cameras everywhere. Because if y'all really paid attention and to our story, you would have saw many clips where I was like, why is there cameras here? Why is there people around? I don't give a shit about cameras. You know how many opportunities I have in the U.S.? You know how many famous people, celebrities I know that I have relationships with, friendships with? I've had plenty of opportunities. I'm seeing. Dalmar, thank you. There's too many comments. I can't even read through all of them. Mickey, are you still in here? I see people commenting, but I didn't see you. Exactly. There's a lot of people that are facing domestic violence. It don't matter. It don't matter. Why didn't I call my dad? My dad doesn't know anything about this. That's why I said it's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. It's an embarrassment to my family. It's an embarrassment to me. No, I saw people commenting about Mickey. Mickey is your husband, we know. Okay, the next time you comment, you're gonna get blocked. Cause like I told you, don't talk shit about Mickey. Don't talk shit about Mickey just because Daily is sitting here talking shit and is jealous of Mickey. Don't let's I'm gonna keep it 100. I'm gonna keep it a buck all the way. Don't talk shit about Mickey. You got a problem with Mickey, you're gonna have a problem with me. Period. She's from the hood. Yeah, I'm from the hood. I'll get hood on you real quick. Again, the next person that talks shit or mentions Mickey is going to get blocked. They are both my friends. Him and his wife. You got a problem with them, you're going to have a problem with me. Period. But don't bring them into this. Stop with the childish shit. I should get a moderator actually for my live. Thank you, love. Yes, I will be on Instagram.
Wenjogerera omukazi naye yejjusa obulamu bwe bwonna ensonga lwaki yajja mu Uganda naye gwe nawe na atamanyi basinkana batya. Jjukira Daily Uganda abadde yalinga akola content w'abakasiru w'abalalu abalondalonda ebicupa abalondalonda kasasiro n'ebirala w'oku street w'abaana b'oku street ng'afunira ddala views empitirivu bamugifutinga ku TikTok live ng'asomerako Quran nga bamusasula ng'akolera ddala ssente empitirivu. So oyo omu yajjira mu ba gifters nga kwotadde ne batandika n'okola charity n'abeera ng'awangayo ssente olwajjira omukwano gye gwava ne batandika okubeera nga beeyagala. Mbu Daily yalaba ng'omukazi amulinako crush bw'atyo n'amwanguyiza naye n'atandika okubeera ng'amukwana. Olwamukwana omukazi n'akkirerizaawo ne beeyagala ebya online ebyo bye bagamba nti online shopping went wrong. Kati ebiseera zino bya ending the in tears. Ne beeyagala ku online time yatuuka ne bamala ne basisinkana. Omukyala n'alekayo emirimu gye mu USA n'ajja afumbirwe gaye. Jjukira abo abakyala abazungu bwe baagalira ddala nga tebakwagaddeeko nti nkwagaddeko kino, akwagalira ddala n'omutima gwe gwonna na buli kimu ne yeewaayo. Naye omusajja byebyo byagezezzaako okumutuusaako. Abantu bamulabulanga ku live omusajja oyo biki n'engoma nti omuntu ali mu laavu tebamuwabula, tebamulabula, tebamubuulirira. So kati byo byonna ebyatuuse era njogera essaawa zino eno yejjusa.
There's a lot of things, like I said, that social media don't know. And I wasn't coming on here to explain myself, but I've been given no other choice. I have moved on. Jose the blogger, if you want to talk to me, inbox me, inshallah. Hopefully he won't delete my messages and look at everything. Because he's the one that hacks into my account. You know, there's a lot of things that I wish that I knew before coming to Uganda, but because I thought that I thought he was the person that he's not. I gave up everything to be in Uganda. And all these, everyone that's, oh, Daily's a good person, Daily's a good person. I don't care what you like. You can like him, you can love him, you can hate him. It don't make no difference to me. But nobody knows what I've had to go through. And if he's with this next girl or whoever it is that he cheated on me with, she can have him. It's not my problem no more. It's not my problem. I will never, ever in my life settle for less. Again, ever. I will never let another person do the things that he's done to me. I didn't want it to come to this.
Nga n'ekiro byonna nga bikyali awo nga Daily yali abalampapula kugenda mu USA ku mukazi ono. Jjukira omukyalo n'akageri kali nti weeyo mu America yali alaba nti okufuna empapula kijja kubeera kyangu amubale afune empapula agende mu USA. Naye ndowooza bwe bitaasoboka, ndowooza omukazi oba yeekyusa n'abeera ng'empapula tebakyabigobako liri gwe kutandika omukuba okufa obufi, atandise omukomparinga ku bakazi balala, gw'oli mubi, ono omukazi akusinga obulungi, gwe tolina nnyashi, ono agirina, n'ebirala bingi nnyo. Naye nga bannange mazima ddala lwaki oba okola omwana wamu n'ebintu ng'ebyo nga nawe olina baganda bo abawala?
Let me ask you guys something. Has anyone ever been on live, heard me talking about my business, my personal business? No. Nobody has not even one video of me or anything saying Leila is on live talking about this and that, and Leila's doing this and Leila's doing that. I kept silent. You know why? Because I fear Allah. But Allah gave me the right to defend myself. Nobody can come up with one thing that says Leila's been online gossiping, Leila's been saying this, Leila's been doing that. Nobody. I kept everything between me and Allah. I didn't deserve to be starved. I didn't deserve to be kicked out of my home. I didn't deserve. I can expose so many things that he doesn't want to own up to. But how can I expect someone to own up to How can I expect someone to own up to things that they don't see a problem with? The first thing about a man is that he's going to own, a real man, he's going to own up to what he did wrong and make it right. And I will be back in Uganda, inshallah. I will be back in Uganda, but I will be back in Uganda enjoying myself and enjoying Uganda and enjoying time with people who really do genuinely care about me. He had the audacity to go on live while this other woman was in my house. You know, so disrespectful. You know, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us not to expose other people's sins, but we are allowed to judge from what is apparent. Always remember that. Never joke with Ugandans, never joke with an Italian. Yeah, that's really bold, right? That's some bold shit right there. You really gotta, excuse my language, but you gotta really have some balls to do that type of shit. And I have proof. Do you now hate Ugandans? Absolutely not. Absolutely. I'm not that type of person, guys. Absolutely not. I love Ugandans and I love Uganda, and I will be in Uganda every year. I have real, true friends there. I have people who genuinely love and care for me and that have been there for me. I don't hate nobody. I don't hate Ugandans. I don't hate nobody. They can hate me. They can hate me, but I don't hate nobody. Yes, these are my tattoos, unfortunately. Just know that if anyone inboxes me and you don't get a response at least within a day or two, it's because my account is hacked. I don't care what he does anymore. He's already made that very clear. I mean, he's made what he's doing very clear. Daily said your ex to Brian Chira late Kenya. What? Guys. No, it's not about, no, he looks into my account. He goes into my account. I've changed all my information, everything, and it don't work. So he's hacked into my account plenty of times. My TikTok. See, I was really trying not to do this and bring it to this point, but Daily said you're broke. I don't give a shit what Daily said. He's the one that's broke and don't want to work, so. Next.
And like I
said before, I'm not going to sit here and marry somebody and I'm not going to sit here and take care of a man. I'm a wife. I'm not a maid. And I'm not the husband. So, no. Daily said you cheated first. Guys, come on. You don't see what he's doing? He was just on my live and it didn't have shit to say. I'm not a cheater. But before I married Daily, I was by myself for years. I don't date. I don't fuck around. I don't do none of that. But if he really want to play, I could bring receipts on everything. I could bring receipts on all the bitches he was fucking while we were talking, while he was saying he was trying to marry me. But I didn't find that out until after I got married. Let's not get into facts. Because every fact that I spit, I'ma have receipts for. I'ma have proof for. The only thing that he got on me is manipulation. Yeah, single for years. Yes, absolutely. I don't go fuck around. I don't go lay with just any man. I don't do none of that. Years. And I take pride in that. Ain't nothing wrong with being by yourself.
basekinga baali bagenda kukola ki simanyi okugula embuzi.
You're not married, madame. That proof is nothing. We all know. Go check my marriage certificate. I ain't got time for the nonsense. Who are you that I gotta prove? I gotta prove anything to. King Love, thank you for joining. Protect your account, girl. Haters are many. Oh, I know. I see them all. They all in the live right now. I'm not going to sit here and be with someone who cheats, who lies, who steals money from me, who broke my nose, who was physically abusive. I'm not doing none of that. Stop sending me lions. I don't need anything from you. Or are you paying me back you trying to pay me back the money that you owe me? You're only on my live trying to manipulate people.
Come on, party tu nyongelo kujukiza tuziule mwagarawo tukola airport pickup services zaffe nungi emyondo giri wansi ddala nga bw'ogiraba tukyusa ne ssente tukola surprise ne delivery tusiba ebimuli bya ssente tusiba ebimuli bya ssente money bouquets money towers fruit baskets n'ebirala bingi nnyo gwe neyandiyagadde okugiftinga omuntu okusurprise ng'omuntu oku birthdays n'ebirala bingi nnyo tubikolako tusiba ebirabo by'oku mikolo okwesa omukolo gwo ekitiibwa ate nga tukuguliza n'ebintu netubidelivaringa munange twesige twekwate tubeere ate nga tukolera wamu. Nyongera okwebaza alabye video yange to the end n'olaba obula nga tubuskipinze mukwano ndi musimu nsaba Katonda akuwe ky'osinga okwagala ate nga n'ekirala nyongera okujjukiza nti okyali ku All Channel Media. Subscribe for more updates, like, share and comment. Teweerabira okunyiga notification bell obenga notified buli nteekawo video empya. Beera nga okomentinga okusinziira ku butyabula video okuva gyetandikidde paka gyesembedde. Katusinkane mu part eddako naye nga ayise nno to toxic marriage. Bw'oguma n'olaba nga biganye tolinda kufa tolinda kukuba kuutula paka awo oba olina okusevinga obulamu bw'obantu abantu bangi ababeera bakyakwetaaga n'ekirala oba okyasobola okufuna ddala omwagalwa atakujoze Katonda gwe yakutegekera okubeera nga muli mu love. Teri muntu oba teri muntu Katonda gwayagala kulaba nga abonaabona. Tetwatondebwa kubeera nga tubonaabona paka n'egyesulusi ffe twesiba mu ddinaayo nolaba omuntu takwagala omulemeddeko tosalawo akulaze red flags zonna naye nga gw'olemezzaamu.